HIMS stock analysis and price predictions for that is 24th of July, Thursday and onwards is HIMS and HERS held stock a buy. I'll be breaking it all down in this very brief short 1-minute video. Genuinely speaking, this is a bullish market, and with this bullish market, all I'm looking to do is just double down, buy more. I mean, with HIMS, you will see here that I have right about 50 results in the Discord. There's a lot of coverage on this, no cap. But generally speaking, let's go 55-minute chart. Only thing that I would care is the price pulling down and giving me some sort of a double break. And if that's not the case, then I'm not going to be buying. Guess what, man? Like with HIMS, I have about, I mean, I already showed you this, but it's just that this is it. This is 31st of March, just before 1st of April, when this prediction was called out on the higher time frame, right? And let me show you how this looks like right now. Because that swing, I'm still holding that. My targets are these highs from 28 to like 72, whatever. I was scared because break-evens might have been getting hit like around 31, 32-ish bucks, but started to pump up, which is great. And I'm just looking to double down on the lower time altogether. So it's not financial advice. I'll keep you updated. And if you want to get my money-making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description.